Hi friends. This is a washer that making a horrible noise. Let's see what can we do to resolve it. This is a Whirlpool 6.5 kilograms top-loading washing machine. Switch on the power supply of washer and press the start button. Please note that we are testing it without water through bypassing the pressure switch. You can hear a horrible voice, like skipping the gears. This is the lower section, where the motor, clutches and gearbox are connected. First we have to remove the top cover carefully. Look. We are going to pull out this tub from the washer. Remove all the cable connection from the motor, pressure switch, solenoid valves, drain motor, and capacitor. These are the shock absorbers. We have to pull out all the rods from the mounting of the body. You can do it as I am doing. This is the motor and it drives the pulley, with the help of a belt. This is the clutch, brake and gearbox mechanism. This is the drain motor, and its power connector. This is the cable, which pulls the drain valve. After pulling, the valve will be open. This is the clutch assembly. This is the lever, which is connected to the drain motor. When the drain motor is off, the drain valve spring will pull the lever back. The actual fault is here. In this machine, the valve was not pulling the lever properly. I replaced the connecting clip. After doing it, the problem was completely resolved.
If you like my videos, please press the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of my videos. Thanks for watching.